Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another haul for you. This one is from Kawaii Nail Collection. I found out about her channel from Lizette's Gel Nails. And several other ladies have gotten stuff from her too. It's Kawaii Nail Collection. Yeah, I was right. And so this is my first time. I just opened the box. Look at the cute little seals. Aren't they cute? And little stickers. And of course purple papers, and you know I love that. So let's see what we have. I don't want to tear it up. It's so cute. Oops, I hit the frame. Aww. So right off the bat, looks like she sent me a gift. That is so sweet. Look at the little thing. The little baggie with the Hello Kitty. Super pretty, like iridescent hexies, some silver, some clear. That is just super cute. I wonder where these people found these little baggies. They're so cute. I only ordered a few products this time because I've been ordering quite much stuff. And so I got some of her candy gel paints. And the color around the rim is the color that's in the pot. So this one is purple. This one is a darker purple. And this is part of her Dreamy Sparkles collection. Art gel. See, it says art gel. I will be opening these in just a few minutes. I just thought I would show them to you first. Let's see. This one is blue. Again, part of her Dreamy Sparkles collection. She has some awesome products. I wish I could have gotten some more, but I didn't. This is another one from her Candy Art Gel collection. This one is a pink. Look at, and I ordered some of her base and top coats and her rubber top, I believe. Look how cute that she's wrapped those up. Look at the little bows. I just love everything about this. Let's see. Let me get these open. I'll be right back. Okay, so I've unwrapped everything. This is everything that I got. Again, we've got the glitters. I got two of her Candy Collection art gels, the pink and the purple. I am going to open them in just a minute. And then I got two of her Dreamy Sparkles collection, the purple and the blue. And then I also got, look at these. They're just so cute. I can't stand it. One says top coat. And it is a no wipe top coat. Okay. And then this one here just says magical top coat. And it is a rubber top coat. So we're going to try that and see how they work. I will be opening the gel so you can see those. So the no wipe top coat. The tops are very slick. Let's see. Yep, that worked. Okay, so this is just the plain no white top coat. Very nice consistency. Not super runny, but not super thick. Very nice. This one is the rubber top coat. Look at that. That is so cute. That's beautiful. Nice and thick. So that would be good for encapsulating, you know, some glitters and things like that. Alright, so I'll be back in just a minute. I'm going to get the seals off of the art gel and then we'll take a look at those. Okay, so I'm back. Here are the colors. The purple from the Dreamy Sparkles. The pink from the Candy Collection. Look how pink that is. Oh my god. The blue from the Dreamy Sparkles. And the darker purple from the Candy Collection. The purple one is number 48. The pink one, I will not come off in my lap, is number 8. The blue glitter is number 51. And the purple is number 007. Okay, I am going to swatch these on something. I don't know what just yet, but I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. I just swatched these on a paper towel. So the first one that I did was the purple glitter. That is number 048 of the Dreamy Sparkles collection. The second one is the purple 007 from the Candy Collection. The third one is the tealy blue glitter color 051 from the Dreamy Sparkles collection. And the last one that I got, look at this pink. It's 081 from the Candy Collection. And just look at that pink. Oh my god. Anyway, can't wait to use these. And as far as I can tell, I did cure this in my white. And as far as I can tell, there is no tacky layer. If it is, it's very minimal, but I don't believe that there is. So they should be able to go on top of a finished filed nail. I did cure these for 60 seconds in my LED UV light. So again, I got the two no white top coat and the rubber top coat. I got the 4 art gels, and she does other things as well. Some things, she does charms and stickers and things like that as well, and apparently gel polish is getting ready to come out. But a lot of stuff was not on her website when I looked at this. So she may be in the process of, developing those and getting ready to release them. And she sent me this beautiful glitter. Can't wait to use all this stuff. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for joining me today. Come back again. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. And like, share, and comment, please. Have a wonderful day.